Hi, this is HTC U11 Life and I'll show you how to check battery temperature. Hi, this is the HTC U11 Life and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to network and internet. To activate Wi-Fi option you should click here to the switcher. After that you will see here all of the available networks. Select one from the networks and enter the password. Then just tap to connect button, wait a second, and now we could see that our device successfully connected to this network. Also we get one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and here click to Wi-Fi icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off. So after the activating of the Wi-Fi option, if you want to launch full Wi-Fi settings, hold this icon for a while and enter the password to one from the networks, tap to connect, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.